Hello and thank you for joining me in this video. I am Tutor Nathan, your virtual personal English tutor. In this video we will be looking at what look, see, and watch means and how to use them properly. I wonder where our resident queen could be. I don't see her anywhere around.
Ahem, here I am. What do you need? I was watching some TV, and why is that bee looking at us?
Oh, we'll get to that shortly, Your Highness.
Oh, okay. What are we doing today then?
We are going to be looking at what look, see, and watch means today.
Oh, that sounds so interesting.
Okay, shall we start, Your Highness?
Yes, go right on ahead.
Thank you, Your Highness. The words look, see, and watch have very different meanings. When we use look, what we mean is that we are pointing our eyes to something in particular, and it is often followed with an adverb or preposition, such as I looked out the window after I spoke to the queen. We can use see to notice something with your eyes, and you do not need to use an adverb or preposition with it, and you can use see with or without an object like this. I can see that bee looking at us. That has an object, and now to use it in a sentence without an object, it will rain today, just wait and see. And lastly, watch. We use watch to mean when we look at something or someone and what they are doing for a particular amount of time. We can use watch in a sentence like this: I have to watch the queen every time she appears. Or can you watch my stuff while I go do something? I hope this helps you, queen.
Yes, it helped me, but more importantly, did it help our viewers?
Good point, queen. We hope this information helped our viewers to figure out when to use look, see, and watch.
Did you need me for anything else, Tutor Nathan?
No, I did not. Thank you for joining us today.
Well, I hope you and everyone else has a nice day. Goodbye.
I hope you found this video mildly entertaining, and if you did, please hit the like button, and if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you and have a great day.
And all I wanted was to look for some honey.